Here we go. We're doing an AMSOIL change on the RAV4 Hybrid. We've got the 016 AMSOIL Hybrid motor oil. It's good for 15,000 miles, 1 year. If you utilize the AMSOIL 15,000 mile high efficiency oil filter. This RAV4 2021 takes 4.8 quarts. So you get 5 quarts. You get the oil filter. I fill up the oil filter with oil. It soaks in, you put it on. Underneath here, you take off the cover. AMSOIL 0W16. You can buy it at USA1RacingOil.com. USA1RacingOil.com. I'm an independent AMSOIL dealer. To take this cover off, you need a 10 millimeter, and to take the oil drain plug off, you need a 14 millimeter. Good to have a little wrench like this to take off to loosen up the filter. So we're letting it drain a little bit more. I'm going to put everything back on, and then we're going to fill it up. So AMSOIL 016 hybrid motor oil, 15,000 mile, up to 1 year, guaranteed.